Hi, boys and girls. So today we're going to be talking about 10 friends, and I want to see if you can remember who the 10 friend is for each of these math problems. So the first one is 4 plus something is 10. Do you remember who 4 is 10 friends with? It's 6. So the next one below is a 6, so I'm going to match that with 4. Okay. Now, if I look at 10 plus something is 10, what would be the 10 friend for 10? Are we going to add anything? Nope, it's going to be 0. All right, let's figure out what 3's 10 friend is. So let's catch 10 and count back 3. 10, 9, 8, 7. So what did we land on? 7. Okay, so the next one has a 7. So what's 7's 10 friend? We just did it up here. It's 3. Good. Okay, so the next one is 5. So if we can remember that 5 has a 10 friend, and it's a doubles also. So this one's going to stay 5. So what is 2's 10 friend? Let's start at 10 and count back 2. Ready? Catch 10, count back 2. 9, 8. So what is 2's 10 friend? 8. So I see an 8 down here, so I'm just going to put a 2 here because I know that those guys are 10 friends. So the last one is 1. What is 1's 10 friend? Yeah, it's 9. So there's 9, and we're going to put 1. Good job. You did an excellent job there, boys and girls. Let's look on the back. So these are more flip-flop facts. We've been doing these all week. So we're going to catch 5 and count up 2. Let's try it. 5. What did you land on? 7. Very good. So if I flip-flop the 5 and the 2, it's still 7. The next one is 3 plus 1. So I just go to the number after 3, which is 4. 0 plus 8. 0 plus 8, just 8 stays the same, so we're just going to put 8. And the last one is, or there's 2 more actually, so we have 4 plus 4, plus 1 more is 9. So these are both going to be 9, and then we're going to catch 5 and count up 2. Ready? 5. So what's the answer? 7. All right, boys and girls, put your name at the top, put it in the basket, and go ahead and get started on Dreambox.